This is the last question in this series, and this question number is actually 25, and this is a matching type of a question. Few radioactive species are given, either neutral, non-radioactive or radioactive species are given on the left hand side, and the name of the elements are also can be identified from the atomic numbers, only the masses are different. Now let us take up one by one. As far as calcium is concerned, it is generally the neutron proton ratio is almost equivalent to 1. That means there will be as many neutrons as there are protons in the nucleus. Therefore, the neutron proton ratio is and it forms a very stable nucleus, calcium. Up to calcium, the N by P ratio is almost the same, and therefore it forms a very stable nucleus. Therefore, the corresponding matching will be for this will be yes. Now, for B is actually iodine 53. It is actually unstable. All the remaining three elements are all unstable. As we have seen here, all the remaining elements are unstable. But what type of radioactive emission it undergoes? As far as B is concerned, it is a beta ray emitter. It is a beta ray emitter. It emits beta particles or electrons and becomes it keeps on going. It doesn't stop with anything until the end of the series where a stable element is being obtained. As far as C is concerned, it is unstable and it is a positron emitter. As we know, in the radioactive decay, generally we have the alpha, beta and gamma radiation. Alpha radiation, as we have seen, alpha, beta, and gamma radiation doesn't involve. In addition to this, there are two other emissions or two other radiations of lesser significance. One is known as the positron emission and the other one is known as electron capture. So these are the 5 radioactive processes: loss of alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays. In addition to these 3 which are major processes, there are 2 more processes. One is known as the positron emission, the other one is known as electron capture. So this undergoes, the iodine 121 undergoes a positron emission. It is an unstable nucleus. So C matches with R. Then the last one, thorium, comes under the natural foreign series. So it is also unstable. This is unstable, and this gives rise to, this matches with, D matches with P. So the correct matching is A for S, B for Q, C for R, and D for P. So this will be the answer. So it can be written in a more complete form. First it can be written, all the 4 things which are on the left can be written. On the right hand side, the matching can be written as Q, R and P. So this will be the answers for this.